Hey guys, Big Mac Enthusiast, also known as Big Mac RBLX. Today we will do a tutorial how to play Garry's Mod. So, step 1. How to change the player model. You hold C. Use the cursor and pick any characters you like. I would pick Rico from Penguin Madagascar. Let's see what we have. Okay. There we have the player model. You hold Q to spawn NPCs. Oh, if you want to undo your NPCs, you can either just press Z. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and sub. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!